Chapter number 1. Short questions. Define systems of software. Question number 2. Define computer. 3. Two example of application software. Why does application software need operating system? Why is it is important to test system before use? Define system decision phases of SDLC. Chapter 2. Purpose of telecommunication. Global village system. Components of information system. Difference between frame and what is groupware. Chapter 3. Difference between sender and receiver. Define signal. Chapter number 4. Desktop publishing. Electric banking. Use of computer in department store. In marketing. Chapter number 5. Function of input-output unit. Difference between RAM and ROM. Role of memory management. Why EPROM is used. Difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. Chapter number 6. Difference between virus and antivirus. Write some types of virus. Data protection. Chapter number 7. Operating system. Desktop. Feature of Windows 2000 operating system. Next chapters 8, 9, 10. Two uses of word processor. Advantage of word processor. Overtapping. Name of two simple text editors. What are the headers and footers in Microsoftware? Role of internet services. Email attachment. IP addressing.